Hi there, welcome to my channel. Please watch my video till the end. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.
Hey, foodies! Welcome back to Semih Bulgur's channel, where we bring you mouth-watering recipes to elevate your culinary game. Today, we're diving into the world of comfort food with a twist: our irresistible baked garlic bread. If you're ready to transform a simple loaf into a garlic-infused masterpiece, let's get started. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need French bread, softened butter, minced garlic, and fresh parsley. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step instructions for creating this delectable garlic bread. First, preheat the oven to the specified temperature. Then, prepare the garlic butter by mixing softened butter with minced garlic. Adjust the garlic to your taste preference. Next, slice the French bread and generously spread the garlic butter mixture between each slice, ensuring even coating. After spreading the garlic butter, sprinkle chopped fresh parsley over the top for a burst of color and freshness. Then, wrap the garlic bread in aluminum foil, leaving the top exposed for a crispy finish. Place the wrapped bread in the preheated oven and bake for about the specified time, or until the edges are golden and the aroma fills your kitchen. Once baked to perfection, unwrap the garlic bread, revealing the beautifully toasted top. Serve warm, and get ready to indulge in the amazing flavors. Don't forget to capture close-up shots of the garlic butter being spread and highlight the golden brown crust after baking for a visually appealing presentation. For pro tips, experiment with different types of bread for varied textures and add a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese for an extra layer of flavor. Pair with your favorite pasta dish or serve as a delightful appetizer. This baked garlic bread is versatile and utterly delicious. In conclusion, there you have it, our delectable baked garlic bread recipe that's bound to be a hit at any gathering or simply as a treat for yourself. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more mouth-watering content, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy baking and bon appetit!